The 2025 Yamaha XSR125 continues to build on the brand's heritage-inspired design language while delivering modern performance, reliability, and efficiency. As one of the most accessible entry-level motorcycles in Yamaha's sport heritage line, the XSR125 blends vintage styling with up-to-date technology, offering a balanced and engaging ride experience for both new riders and experienced enthusiasts looking for a nimble city companion. Powered by 124cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine, the XSR125 delivers an impressive combination of power and fuel efficiency. With variable valve actuation (VVA) technology, the engine optimizes valve timing to provide strong performance across the rev range. It produces around 15 horsepower, the maximum allowed for an A1 license, giving riders smooth acceleration and a top speed capable of handling urban roads and light highway cruising. The 6-speed transmission ensures a responsive and efficient ride, whether you're commuting or carving through twisty roads. One of the standout features of the 2025 model is its updated suspension and chassis tuning. The 37mm USD front forks and monoshock rear suspension deliver excellent feedback and stability, even on uneven surfaces. Combined with a lightweight chassis, the bike handles with agility and confidence, making it perfect for city riding, lane filtering, or weekend rides through back roads. The disc brakes at both ends, paired with standard ABS, offer consistent and safe braking performance, enhancing rider confidence in various conditions. Stylistically, the 2025 Yamaha XSR125 holds true to its retro-modern DNA. It features a round LED headlight, minimalist bodywork, and a sculpted fuel tank that recalls Yamaha's classic motorcycles while still looking fresh and relevant. New for 2025 are updated graphics and color options, including a bold matte gray with contrasting yellow accents and a timeless classic red. The attention to detail in finishes, from brushed aluminum components to the stitched seat, adds to its premium feel despite its entry-level status. The digital LCD instrument cluster, though compact, provides all the essential information at a glance, including gear indicator, fuel gauge, trip meter, and more. It maintains a retro look with modern function, fitting seamlessly into the bike's design. The ergonomics of the XSR125 are another high point up. It offers an upright seating position with wide handlebars and a comfortably low seat height of 815mm, making it approachable for a wide range of riders. Yamaha has also focused on